In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover your Venmo account password. So the first thing you need to do is you need to open up the Venmo app like you normally would, and it is going to greet you with the sign in page. So the first order of business is you want to press over here where it says login. Then try to go ahead and enter in your email, username, or phone number. I apologize if my screen is currently black. That is due to privacy reasons, but it is going to ask you to input your email or your password. In the bottom, right below the login button, there's going to be a forgot password option. And then you're able to go ahead and recover your account by entering your email, username, or phone number. Enter that in, and then you're going to be good to go. It is then going to verify if it is you by texting you a code, emailing you a code, or entering in your card info. So those are ways that you're able to go ahead and recover your Venmo account. Afterwards, it is going to prompt you to change your Venmo password, and then you will be good to go, and then you can go ahead and begin using Venmo like you normally would. Once again, I apologize for my screen being black. That is due to privacy reasons, but you should be good to go, and thankfully they do walk you everything step by step. So as long as you know either the email, the account, the phone number, or the actual card number itself, if you did get a Venmo debit card, you should be good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.